favorite question right now is this. Hey, if cryptocurrency is so awesome, why aren't more people investing in it? My answer coming up. Hey everyone, this is Sean with Crypto for the 99%. Thanks for tuning in. So I started this channel for one specific reason. Well, more correctly, for several reasons that pretty much boil down to a single concept. So let me tell you a little bit about myself, who the hell I am to even be telling you about crypto, and hopefully that will lead into what the purpose of this channel is. So I've been in the cryptocurrency space for a little while now. I am not a whale. I don't have a 7 or 8 or a 9-figure crypto portfolio, not by any stretch of the imagination. In fact, in the grand scheme of things, while I do have a decent-sized portfolio, I'm still a little fish in an extremely large pond. I'm sure most have heard all of the stories of people who got into cryptocurrency and got out of it with life-changing amounts of money that landed them in a beachside mansion, private jets, and Lamborghinis. Yeah, that's not me. Not yet, that is, hopefully. I started small with literally $25 worth of Bitcoin, and at the time I had no actual knowledge of what Bitcoin even was, what purpose Bitcoin served, or even really what Bitcoin was for at all. I just remember hearing the same sentiments that are still being repeated today. Bitcoin is the future, so get in now. I bought in. Of course, after I did that, as soon as I saw it creeping up in value, going from $25 to $26 to $27, I started digesting any piece of information I could about cryptocurrencies. And still, I watch hours upon hours of YouTube content on cryptocurrency every single day, and what I see in most of those videos is actually what led me to start this channel. So there is an endless sea of outstanding cryptocurrency content on YouTube. I watch analysis videos, content about new crypto projects, news on current crypto projects. I'm a software developer by trade, and I can get nerdy about coding. So I also watch a lot of videos on blockchain and blockchain development and stuff like that. But while all of that content is amazing, almost none of it is palatable for beginners or people who haven't entered the market yet. And even worse, it can be so confusing for the beginner that it outright prevents them from getting into the market at all. Things like candlestick charts are absolutely invaluable. Paying attention to things like resistances and supports and rejections and market caps is all absolutely essential stuff. But not if you don't know what the hell those things even are, right? And another thing I've also noticed, and this is not about YouTube content, but something I've always noticed is that when you talk to somebody who's not familiar with cryptocurrency, their first response is almost always, "Oh, you mean Bitcoin?" Or even better, "I heard cryptocurrency was some kind of a scam." Well, yes, I do also mean Bitcoin, obviously. But it shows that the vast majority of beginners have absolutely no idea that there are loads and loads of other crypto coins out there besides Bitcoin that are often just as good or sometimes even better of an investment than Bitcoin itself. And no, cryptocurrency in general is anything but a scam. Sure, we've all heard about some seriously shady cryptocurrencies created in the past, designed specifically to make people a quick $1 billion so that they could disappear into the wind. But those were just that. They were in the past. The current crypto market has matured well beyond its years and is now an absolutely viable and profitable method of investment. So that's basically why I started this channel. Cryptocurrency is the future of money, period. I completely and utterly believe that, and nobody will ever convince me otherwise. One thing is that regular currencies like the dollar and the euro and the pound or whatnot are becoming less and less valuable every day as governments continue to create trillions and trillions of dollars out of thin air with no signs of stopping and no ceiling in sight. And especially during the current pandemic with the coronavirus, especially the U.S. government is literally hitting a button and creating trillions of dollars trying to pump up the economy. And the only result from that can be that the dollar becomes less valuable. It's common supply and demand. The more of something there is, the less inherently valuable it is. So, a lot of people are asking, if cryptocurrency really is the future, then why are such a small percentage of people in general investing in it? It's simple. It's because they don't know. And that's what I hope to fix on this channel. Cryptocurrency can't be the future for everyone until the cryptocurrency market is made easily available to everyone. So on this channel, I won't be making videos analyzing charts, candlestick charts or linear charts or whatnot. There are already a ton of creators on YouTube doing that, and I might add, doing that extremely well. And in fact, over the course of many videos, I'll be recommending a ton of them. There are some truly great ones out there that you'll want to see. With this channel, my aim is to present cryptocurrency in a much more palatable, beginner-friendly way, so that after learning the basics of cryptocurrency and how it works, you can absolutely venture off and watch some of the more advanced and amazing content out there on YouTube. So for all of the people watching and listening to this that might already be longtime crypto veterans or crypto whales with massive portfolios, just a friendly heads up for you, this channel might bore you a bit. Obviously, don't let that stop you from watching my videos, of course, but the content is probably going to be a little too unadvanced for you. But for the 99%ers out there that aren't veterans or whales that want to learn about crypto, I'll show you platforms that make it really easy to invest in crypto. I'll show you how to actually invest in crypto, different ways that you can earn crypto, and of course, one of my favorites, all kinds of different cryptocurrencies that I'm extremely excited about and see big things for in the future. So until next time, I would love it if you'd hit that subscribe button down below and click that little bell icon to be notified when I release new videos. And also, if there's any crypto topic you want to learn about in the future and want me to make a video about, feel free to leave a comment down in the comments section below. Now, obviously, I can't promise to make a video about every single comment or every single topic that shows up in the comments, but I'll try my best to make as many as possible. So on that note, we'll see you all next time. Thanks for watching.